In this video, we show the unboxing of the Android touchscreen car player and demonstrate how to connect the power supply from the car battery or a DC 12-volt adapter to power up the player. By connecting a DC power adapter to the player, you can use the device as a home audio system. We will also explain how to use this Android car player to transform your home into a smart home and explore the various ways to utilize this player in upcoming videos. This car player boasts the following features: a 9-inch HD 1280 Android display double-din stereo player, now installed with Android version 13. Featuring Android Wireless, Android Auto, and CarPlay, this stereo comes equipped with a Gorilla Glass IPS display, 4GB RAM, and 32GB ROM for seamless performance. Key features include an Android system, Bluetooth connectivity, mirror link, and voice calling via Bluetooth. Enjoy the vibrant 9-inch HD touchscreen, high-definition FM range, and convenient power-off with auto memory store function. Benefit from various reverse parking input functions and enhance your audio experience with the bass and treble LSR channel stabilizer. Additional features include 2 USB ports, mirror link support with steering wheel control, access to the Play Store, YouTube, and both online and offline maps. The car player package includes one car media player, one GPS, connectors, 2 USB connector cables, power connectors, one audio output harness, one AUX input harness, one reversing video adapter cable, and one camera cable. In this first part of the video, we show the initial step to connect the power to the player from the car battery or DC SMPS power supply to turn on the player with a wiring diagram. First, connect the power connector into the player panel, gently pressing the connectors to ensure proper insertion. To remove the connector, press the notch and pull gently. On the connector cable, there are 3 wires that need to be connected to the power supply. The first one is the battery plus wire, the second one is the ground wire, and the third one is the ACC wire. Strip those wires to connect them to the DC power supply. According to the player's specifications, the yellow wire denoted by B+ should be connected to the battery or DC 12-volt SMPS power adapter positive wire. Note, when using the DC power adapter, ensure the voltage is 12 volts, and a minimum current of 5 amps is required. The black wire, denoted by GND, should be connected to the negative terminal of the battery or the negative wire of the DC 12V SMPS power adapter. Hi everyone. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to like it and share it with your friends. Your support really helps us create more amazing content like this. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Always remember to insulate the wires properly after making the connection. According to the player's specifications, the red wire denoted by ACC should be connected to the car ignition switch output. When using the player for home use, connect it to the positive wire of the DC 12V SMPS power adapter. With these connections completed properly, the player will turn on. Here, I have used a DC 12V 5A SMPS power supply to power up the adapter and turn on the player. In the case of a car connection, the player turns on when the car ignition is on. In the upcoming parts of this video series, we will demonstrate basic Android system setup, Wi-Fi connectivity, app installation, speaker connection, cameras, and explore various ways to utilize this player to make our home a smart home. If you found this video useful, please consider supporting us. Your support enables us to create more informative content like this and continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether you choose to like, share, or subscribe to our channel, every bit of support encourages us to create more. Thank you.